Walk and Gongers, it's your girl Debbie Wong, and you're watching Debbie Wong's Walk and Gong. So here's the story behind this dish. I do a lot of traveling in Southeast Asia for work. I film down there a lot with Asian Food Channel. Y'all should check out Asian Food Channel. I'll put the links all down below. And every time I go to either Thailand or Malaysia, I stock up on curry paste. And this right here is just part of my collection, okay? I got Penang curry paste. I got country red style curry. I don't know what that is, country. Those are from Thailand. Actually, most of these from Thailand. I have Massaman curry. I have Thai southern sour curry. I mean, all of these, never even heard of these. Red curry paste. I have sour vegetable curry paste. Maybe I should try that one today. I even have tom yum paste. And the reason why I stock up on these is because they're great quality, they're cheap, and they are packed with flavor. So you can make a quick dinner that's tasty. I'm not here to show you chefy tips, guys. I'm showing you, this is my mission, I'm gonna show you guys how to elevate and tastify your home cooked food. That's my thing, and that's what this dish is all about. So let's get started. This is gonna be an all veggie stew. When I'm at home, I like to eat mostly vegetarian. When I'm out, I'm a bit more flexible, but I like to keep it plant forward at home. That's what I call it, plant forward. This knife is fucking dull. So I got broccoli, onions, I'm gonna do a pumpkin squash, I'm gonna do zucchini, and I'm also gonna do a bit of tofu. Any combo of veggies that you want. You don't need to see me chopping this up, you know what to do. I trust you. Magic, veggie magic. So this amount of veggies is perfect for, say, 2 big eaters, which is like me and my special someone, but it can go to 3 people. You adjust the amounts to your situation. I'm here at the stove. I got a big pan on medium heat. I got all my veggies ready, and I'm gonna add some coconut milk. Now, disclaimer, this is not at all an authentic Thai curry. So that's what you're looking for, this is the wrong channel. What I'm showing you is how to use a Thai curry paste to make a quick dinner. I'm gonna fry these onions in the coconut oil for a good 5 minutes, and I actually wanna get some color on them. You know, usually when you start something with onions, you just wanna sweat them out and get them soft. I actually want them to caramelize. Here's Debbie Wong tip number 1 with this dish. When you're using curry paste, whether it's the prepared one or you're making your own, you gotta cook it out. You gotta have it sizzling and stirring in the pan for a good 7 to 8 minutes, because the only way you're gonna get it to its full flavor potential is if you cook it. The coconut milk is lifting up all the bits that are stuck in the bottom of the pan. And this is key when you're cooking veggies, because you want everything to be at their perfect doneness. I'm gonna serve this with quinoa because there's not a proper protein in this dish, so I thought, you know what, I want to keep it veggie. I'm gonna do a proper protein, let's do quinoa. But of course you can do rice, you can do noodles, glass noodles, rice noodles, whatever. Fucking tasty. There's no need for takeout, no need to go out, ladies and gentlemen. Here are my 2 tips for this dish. Number 1, always take the time to cook that curry paste. It makes all of the difference. Give it a good 7 or 8 minutes until the fragrance of the paste fills up your kitchen. That's when you know that the curry paste is at its fullest flavor potential, and you're gonna get the bangingest curry. Bangingest, just invented a word. Number 2, when you're at the airport in Thailand or Malaysia or I don't know, any Southeast Asian country with curry, and you got a couple bucks left, go to the duty free and get yourself some curry paste. That's what I do. And this is what you can end up with. On that note, I'm Debbie Wong, this is Walk and Gong, and I'll see you next time.